Hello, this is Derek, and today I'm going to talk about hashing. So, hashing is a way or like a data structure that is used to storing variables and then accessing that data in O of one time complexity. So, what happens here, like in a simple hashing, we have an array of a indefinite size. Here we have array of 7. That is, we can store 7 values into that array. So this we have a class hashing, so we are going to initialize it. We are going to initialize all the values to -1. So initially all the values are -1 in the array. So by inserting a number, when for example any number, for example we want to insert a number 7. So if how we insert the number, we'll modulo divided by 7. That is the size of the array. So 7 modulo 7 gives us 1. So it will go into index 1. So array index is minus. This is like if the value is crossing like 7, it will go to back to the first position. Like if the place is already filled, that index is already has a number, so it will go to the just next uh, place where there is space left. So it is checking if the index is -1, and if it finds it, it will put the value there and this will come out. So in this is for searching, we'll use the same formula. We'll just divide it by modulo 7 and then we get the index. And if the index is present is -1, we need to go to the search the just adjacent this numbers, means indexes for that number. And if it is not found, we just print search not found. For deleting also is the same logic. So the main thing is that the number is always divided by the size of the array, and what the result will get, we put that number in that index. So when we want to retrieve the number, we can just modulo divided by 7 and get that index and just extract the data from that index. So this takes over fun. So this is the code. Now we'll try running this. So for example, I want to insert 5 display. Now 5 is inserted to the 6th index. So say 7. So 7 is inserted to 0th place because 7 modulo 7 is 0, and then insert say 9. So 7 modulo 9, we go to the second index. So this is our hashing index. Now if you want to search, for example, enter number 9. So we found 9 at index 2. So the search was in O of 1. So now if you want to delete 9, 9 is deleted. So now, okay, so this is our array. So this is how hashing works. Now we have, like, if the index is full of that particular value, so that in normal hashing we have to go to the next free area, but in chaining linear, that is called separate chaining method, in which we use linked list to store the values. For example, if index 1 we already have a value, then again a value comes in index 1, so it will make a new node in that index and store it in that place. Let's run this program. So yeah, separate chain. We have a class node with data. Then chain hashing, we have another class. We are making 10 nodes in an array, and then we are initializing it. For inserting, we are using the same method. We are modulo dividing it with the size, and then getting the index and pushing in that index. And this is the logic for checking if it is null, then we are going to put it in the same index, or else we will put it in the next index. And this is a display function that will traverse and display. If needed, it will traverse. So let's run this and see. Separate chain. So insert number, say 7. Then so this is how it works. So this simple hashing is called linear probing. So we got the output. Thank you.